Hello. So this is a new version of Takaram. It has gone several nice features, I must say. So let's go ahead and see what's new. So if I sign in, I'm going to sign in as an administrator and a simple password. I got promoted with the I got promoted with this information here. The menu, the administrator, the menu here, and stuff like that. And then it's a whole new design of the elements, so something similar to Pinterest, because I think this is easier way to navigate and stuff. The old listings is quite dull, if you ask me. Anyways, if you click on any item, you can actually get the details. If there are multiple images, you get to see a small badge here, the number of images this image has. For example, this one has two, so you get to display the two of them here. And of course, if you are the administrator or you are the owner of the ad, you can make the edits as you please. Anyways, so this is the administrator. I am an administrator. Let me log in as a normal user. Let me open up an incognitive mode one. Here it is. So this is another user. I get to see all the items here, like the rest of the users or anonymous users or guests and so on and so forth. However, I don't see the menu item here, and then I get to see my items just like the way we used to. These are all the items. You can see them, you can delete them. Even if they are not approved, you still can see them. If you can see car lights for sale, if I go to the view pending items in the administrator, I get to see the item that's not yet approved. If I approved it here, I get to see it in the my items. Let me just pull this one up again. Then I can see it here. Now, of course, you can. This is listed by the latest one posted to the. This is my items. I need to add breadcrumbs here. Anyways, this is the car posted in the public items. Yeah. What else? Say for example, let's say for example, I am the owner. I want to contact now. I am the owner of this ad. Let me see, for example, let me see what the admin has. My items. Well, looks like I own this boot. So let me contact the administrator from my other account. So this is the normal user account. This is not an administrator's account. So I'm going to contact the guy, the admin, which is pretty much the other person, about this boot. It's quite interesting. Anyway, so I want to ask him a message, or I want to contact him and ask him several questions. Let's say, just for fun. So I'm going to post a message, and it will take me directly to the messaging center, which is a new feature added. Now, I've sent this message here. I am interested in getting this boot, 0 and red messages, and I get to see all the communication regarding this material. And then I get to see the item. This conversation happened. The reason for this conversation is because of this item here. Now let's go ahead and see the administrator if I still get the message. I am the owner of this item. So let me go to the messaging center, and now get a notification here that I have one received message. Let me click on it. Oh, actually, I'm on the received messages. I'm here. I am interested in getting this book, so I'm going to click on it, and then yes, it is plastic. So I've replied back, and let me go to the other account now, and you'll get to see. Now this is I'm on the other account, and then I'll get to see one new reply, probably, yeah, one unread reply in the send. This is a message that I've sent, and this is the messages that I've received. So basically, my inquiries regarding certain items posted, I can find them here. Items regarding people contacting me regarding my items are in this received mail. So this distinction is very important, because you would want to separate what you've sent others, your requests about other products, and what others have asked you about your posted products. Anyway, this is a distinction that we thought would make sense. Anyways, I get to see this is one unread message, and if I open it, I get to see, oh yeah, it is a plastic. I can reply back, and so on and so forth. If I go back, I won't see the notification, 0 unread messages, and so on and so forth. So basically, this is important, yeah. And another important thing is that we've added searching. So for example, let's search for Mexico. I should probably get this one. Wood table from Mexico. There is a problem here. I'll probably need to fix it soon. Other than that, I think we get to see. I get to see I can edit my items as well. I can make the edits since I am the user. Let me check some things. This is not my item, so I cannot edit it here. So basically, those are the main new features. Searching. I can, add multiple images, of course. I can make edits to my posts. I can communicate with other users. And of course, if I'm the administrator, say for example, view pending items, I can contact the owner of this ad, say for example this guy, and then tell him I cannot approve of this, for example, simply because you can't give it for whatever reason, and then you can post it, you can communicate just how we saw earlier. So basically those are the main features. Of course, the administrator get to see some quick statistics. I'll be adding several more. I have 2 items pending that needs to be reviewed, and then these are the approved items. The number of users we have 5 users in the database. All the items cumulatively are 19. These are the pending items, and this is also a nice addition to the list of features. Now this is the list of users here. Of course, I can edit a given user just by clicking on the edit. I can delete. Of course, the edit is not yet fully implemented, so I did not really push it. And the delete, you can simply click on it and it will delete the user from the system. Yeah, so basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. And if you think that you can help out in this project, which is, I'm going to tell you the interesting part about this. We're using MongoDB, so it's quite scalable. We're also using Python, so we can do a lot in the back end. If you feel that you can help out in this project, feel free to tune in, and hopefully we'll make good things happen in this world.